Так, приехали в Копенгаген, зеленый город. Выехали с аэропорта. Везет меня Хайдар.
Хайдар.
Курдистан.
Kurdistan, Хайдар, ja.
Это аэропорт.
You say you from Uzbekistan?
No, Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan, okay. How many people and live in Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan 17 millions.
17.
Yes.
That's a 1700.
One Bangkok.
Yeah.
But territory like Argentina. Very big. 5% by kilometer. But Mongolia 1% by kilometer.
Mongolia, how many people?
2 million kilometer.
Okay.
And,
how many people in Mongolia?
2 millions.
2 million. It's not too much.
And Australia 3 persons. No, 2 persons by kilometer. For example, 7 million kilometer, 14 millions people. And Canada 3 person by kilometer. 5 person Kazakhstan, 9 person, maybe 8 person Russia.
Russia.
But why Australia, Canada, no financial problem, and other financial problem? Why?
Kazakhstan problem same Russian? No problem more. Huh?
Now no problem, but in the future maybe. Because for Kazakhstan now no exit like Ukraine. For Ukraine one exit Europe. For Kazakhstan no exit because Russia in the north, in the east China, in the south is you. It's finished. Big problem. No, like Kurdistan, 4 Kurdistan, yes, now. 1 Kurdistan Syria, 1 Kurdistan Iraq, 1 Kurdistan Turkey, 1 Kurdistan Iran.
Iraq, yeah.
But
40 million?
Yeah, 40 million, but no,
40,
no states.
40 million and Turkey. 10
Yes.
million Iraq, Iran, Syria, maybe 40 million and Turkey. That's a 50%. No. 1 man from Ukraine, two brother.
Okay.
I don't name Klitschko.
Klitschko. Yeah,
Klitschko.
Yes. Brothers Klitschko.
Yeah, good boxer man, huh?
Yes. One now major of Kiev. Politic. One brother. now in Denmark, many Muslim.
Yeah, Denmark, too many Muslims, yeah. Maybe,
Moscow.
maybe 300,000.
Oh. It's finished. It's finished for Denmark.